Hello guys. If you are someone who is looking for a job switch or if you are looking to upgrade your skills in the DevOps and cloud space, then this video is for you. And I have a recommendation uh, just to smoothen your switching process or to upgrade your skills in this space. So the recommendation is that JoinDevOps is an online training institute, so which is offering the DevOps and AWS cloud trainings since the last 7 years. And the best part about this particular training is that the trainer and his experience. So the trainer is Mr. Raghu, and he is having an experience of more than 15 years of professional experience in the IT industry. And currently, he is working as one of the lead solutions architect for a uh, MNC company which is based out of USA. And till date, uh, he has trained more than 10,000 plus students in the last 13 years. And in the last recent 7 years, he has trained more than 5,000 students in the DevOps and AWS cloud space. So till date, he has run more than 75 plus batches. And the update is that they are going to start a new batch starting from October 16th onwards. So on October 16th, uh, in the morning, 6 to 7:30 a.m. Is the time when the batch is scheduled, and the duration of the training is going to be around 3 months. And if you are someone who is just beginning with the DevOps or cloud, and if you are someone who is looking to switch to a different company, or if you are looking to upgrade your skills, then I would highly recommend this training for you. So this is because that the best thing being that the trainer, and the other thing being that the content which is taught throughout the training. So they have their own website which is called as JoinDevOps. So if you can go to this website, they have the complete details about the training, and the way how they go with the training, like providing you with the real-time projects, providing you with the job support or resume preparation. So all that of stuff has been taken care by Raghu's team. So if you see here, so if you can see here, this is the homepage for the new batch, which is going to start from the October 16th onwards. On before that day, or before one day before that, which is 15th October, in the morning around 6 a.m. The demo class is scheduled, and so you can attend the demo session for 1 week, demo sessions for a week, and then decide. And so if you can look at the curriculum of this training, so it is right here. And so though you are a beginner, and if you do not have any experience, it's okay. So everything is taught from the scratch. And initially they would be starting with Git essentials, and then they would teach you, they would train you on Linux and shell scripting, and then they would be taking you into the more advanced concepts, which is the Dockers, Kubernetes, ELK stack, and stuff like that. And also they will be demonstrating everything in the live session. So they will try to show you how do they create the Docker images, how do they write the script for that, how do they deploy the Docker images onto a cloud environment using the CI/CD tools like Jenkins. So everything would be detailed, and everything, all the uh, every tool is covered as a part of this training. And if you can see, this is the high level training curriculum. And if you want to see the a bit detail of this one, so they would take you from the Git and the GitHub platform. So how do you store the source code, and how do you manage it, and how do you raise a pull request, how do you merge a pull request, how do you create a branch. So that sort of things will also be a part of this particular training. And also they would teach you about how do you automate different set of things, like using Terraform as a IAC for AWS, and how do you configure the systems using Ansible, and how do you deploy the systems, or how do you deploy the softwares using Jenkins. And once the software is deployed onto some cloud environment or any other environment, how do you monitor the software systems. So all that stuff will be covered in very detail over this particular training. And as I said, the duration of this training is going to be for 3 months, and the real-time projects or the hands-on experience projects will be starting right from the beginning of this training itself. So, and if you are really interested, then the registration link is available in the description of this video, so you can register there, and uh, you will be contacted by Raghu's team very soon. And this is that. Thank you, everyone.